You all in my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing peach, strawberry, and jalapeno cucumber lemonade. So the first thing I want to do is get our simple syrup made, and I made 3 cups of simple syrup. So that's 3 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water, and we're going to go ahead and get that simple syrup working because we're going to use this throughout this recipe. All right, then you take you 3 peaches, and you can get your favorite peaches. You can get white peaches, whatever kind of peaches you want to get those. And then we're going to go ahead and cut them up and take the pit out the center. And then we're going to cut these down into dices. Just make sure they're equal size, but it really don't matter because we finna just stew this down with 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup. So go ahead and add them peaches or those peaches to the simple syrup and go over a medium low heat until they pretty much disintegrate and fall apart. And also get you a couple pieces of that lemon zest and pop in there just for that tang. And in about 10 minutes, your peach and simple syrup should look like this here. And then we're going to pass that through a fine mist strainer. And that's pretty much our peach syrup that we're going to use for these lemonades. So once you got your peach simple syrup strained, go ahead and pop that aside and allow it to cool down completely. And once we get the peach syrup down, we're going to begin to work on our strawberry syrup. So before we get to the strawberry syrup, let's go ahead and make our juice our lemons for our lemonade. And I had about maybe 7 or 8 lemons, and I'm just juicing them. And pretty much this here is a guideline. How much tang you want in your lemonade is pretty much up to you. It's really no ratio for that, but I juice 7 whole lemons and I pop that aside. And then we're gonna go ahead and begin work on our strawberry syrup. So I'm taking the same 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup, and then I'm adding my strawberries to it. And that was like 1.5 pints of strawberries, but like I said, you can still use how much you want to use. It's just how much strawberry syrup you're gonna have at the end. But once you get that down, go ahead and mash it down a little bit just to help it out, to break the remaining strawberries that didn't disintegrate during the cook process. And it was the same 10-minute cook process. And then we're going to take that strawberry puree and go ahead and drain it. And then I did put a couple pieces of lemon zest in there as well for the pop. I know you see it there in the visual. But once you get that strawberry simple syrup strained and all through the fine mist strainer, go ahead and pop that aside and allow it to cool. And then we're going to work on our jalapeno cucumber simple syrup. And we're not going to cook these down. We're just going to add maybe 1/4 of a jalapeno and 1/4 piece of cucumber into a bowl. And then we're going to pop 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup on that. You see what we're doing there? And then we're going to just let that hang out. Just pop the top on there and allow it to hang out for a second. All right, so you see our strawberry simple syrup. Then we got a peach simple syrup. Then we got the remaining simple syrup that we had fixed. Then we got our lemon juice and then our jalapeno cucumber simple syrup. And that's all the simple syrups that we're going to use for this amazing lemonade. You see, it was prep heavy, but when we begin to put this thing together, everything is going to go by fast. So, like I said, prep heavy, but as we put this thing together, it's going to go by really fast. So let's go ahead and make our lemonade. So we're going into our pitcher with the lemon juice, then the simple syrup, and then water. And you pretty much control this ratio as well. After we got done making our simple syrups, we had maybe like two cups and 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup left. So you pretty much control how much or how sweet you want this lemonade to be. But remember, you are adding the fruit syrups into this lemonade, so you don't want to make it too sweet, but then you don't want it to be too tangy. All right, so we got all our simple syrups made, and then we'll go ahead and plating it up, or go ahead and cupping it up. So I got some good ice, and that's some good good crunchy ice. We're going into our cups, and then we're going to fill it up 3/4 of a way with lemonade each cup. And then we're going on first with our peach simple syrup, and we're just going to fill it up the 1/4 of a way with the peach simple syrup, then followed by the strawberry simple syrup, and lastly we're going on with the cucumber jalapeno simple syrup, which is really amazing. I had this drink down in Atlanta a couple weeks back, and it was one of the best drinks I've ever had. So if you're interested in that flavor, go ahead and pop it together, and I'm telling you, it'll go really well, especially for the summertime. But there you have it, man, the most amazing lemonades, flavor lemonades. So we got the peach, strawberry, and the jalapeno cucumber lemonade. Pretty good drinks, I'm telling you, especially going into the summertime. You want to check these drinks out. Like I said, they're very amazing. You've seen that we handcrafted every last one of them. Everything is from scratch. We made everything in the house. So yeah, man, if you ever want to get chefy, go ahead and throw you some handcrafted lemonades together, man. I'm telling you, crowd pleases everybody. I love them. But thank you for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We almost at 3,000 subscribers, man. You guys are awesome. I'll catch you on the flip side. I'm out.